Hello guys, welcome back to Fresher Bee. In today's video, we'll talk about one more latest off-campus placement opportunity from ThoughtWorks. So in this video, we'll discuss about all the things such as the job role, the job location, the CTC, all the educational qualifications required, the job responsibilities, about the preferable skills, about the company profile. So we'll discuss all these things in a detailed manner. So please don't skip the video in between and watch the video till the end to get a complete idea over this opportunity from ThoughtWorks. So very firstly we'll talk about the company profile. So ThoughtWorks is a privately owned global technology company with total 43 offices in 14 countries. It provides software design and delivery and tools and consulting services. The company is closely associated with the movement for agile software development and has contributed to a content of open source products. ThoughtWorks business includes digital product development services, digital experience and distributed agile software development, and it was founded in 1993 and the headquartered in Chicago, that is United States. And the total number of employees is total 7,000. And next we'll talk about the job role. So they are hiring for the position of a QA developer, and the job locations are like Bangalore, Chennai, Coimbatore, Gurgaon, Hyderabad, Pune and Mumbai. And preferable qualifications are all the BTech holders in all branches, MCA, MTech holders in computer science and IT, and all the MSc holders in computer science stream. And the batch which is eligible for this opportunity is only 2020 batch. And the experience required is freshers. That means even if you have 0 years of experience, you can apply for this opportunity. So the salary will be a CTC of 8.3 LPA. And talking about the further points they have mentioned here about the job and the preferences. So one must have less than 6 months of experience and extremely good at logical thinking and problem solving capability, and ability to articulate in detail, ability to write simple code to test applications, awareness of basic object oriented programming, that is classes and methods, etc. Knowledge of testing within an agile development environment, and passion for technology and software quality. And further they have mentioned here is what you will do, like what will be the job role, the job responsibilities. So demonstrate strategic thinking when developing tasks, understand full life cycle development right from requirements gathering to delivery, use scripting to create automated tasks, feel comfortably working closely with developers, business and other quality analysts and clients in a highly collaborative environment. So next we'll talk about the eligibility criteria. So this job is particularly for all the female candidates only, and all the BTech holders in all streams, and MCA and MTech holders in computer science and IT streams, and all the MSc holders in computer science. And the batch will be 2020 and work experience will be 0 to 6 months. And talking about the challenge format, so they'll ask you total 2 programming questions on data structure and algorithms. So you will be analyzed on the 2 programming questions they'll ask you. And here they have mentioned a note here, like you will require a webcam to be able to take this test. Please have a functional webcam enabled and grant access to pop-up on the browser. So this is a completely proctored challenge. So if you are willing to read all this information once again, so I will provide the link for the same in the description box of the video, so you can visit that link and read all this information. And if you are willing to apply, just click here on the apply now button. So after clicking here, you will be redirected to the next page. So I will also show how one can apply on that official page for this opportunity. So by clicking on the apply button there, you will be just redirected to the next page. So that is the official HackerRank page. So you can see a page like this when you click there on apply now. So as I have already registered, so here they have mentioned like successfully register. So just go through all the information about the ThoughtWorks Grad QA Developer Diversity Challenge 2021. So here they have mentioned all the things that we already discussed in the before video. So go through all this information. So here you can see your CTC of 8.3. They are hiring, they are providing, and the total number of openings is 20. So you can go and read all this information. And for applying, here you have to just click and apply by filling all the informations about your name, your email ID, your mobile number, your CV. So by filling all this information, you can apply for this opportunity. So this challenge is going to be open on 19th of Feb at 4:30 am, and this will close on 28th of Feb at 10:25 am, and the total duration of the challenge will be total 2 hours. So once you are done with the challenge, they'll shortlist all the candidates who are further eligible, and in this way we have seen complete idea over this opportunity from ThoughtWorks. So we also saw the complete information regarding the same, and also saw how one can apply for the same. So I come up with this kind of opportunities on a regular basis. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video and share the video with your friends who are looking for good opportunities like this. And if you come across any type of query, please mention all the queries in the comment section below. I will reply to all the queries ASAP, and we'll meet in the next video with one more latest off-campus opportunity. Thank you.